So how can you make money on YouTube with less than 1,000 subscribers? Welcome to the Marketing Strategies channel. My name is Rosh, and in this video, we're talking about YouTube and some of the strategies related to YouTube to make more money. And I make money because I'm on YouTube. And it's not because of AdSense. We'll talk about that in a few moments, but there are a lot of different ways in which you can make money even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. Here's a fact. I would make about $20 per month on YouTube through the AdSense program. No, that's not very much money, but it was something. Every 5 months I would make about $100 and I would take my wife out to dinner. That was kind of nice, but then they changed the rules and now you need to have 1,000 subscribers to be involved in the AdSense program, plus 4,000 hours of watch time per year. So that's a barrier for a lot of people, but that's okay. The thing is, AdSense is a really small portion of the money you can actually make on YouTube. So even with under 1,000 subscribers, you can make a lot more money. I believe the easiest way to make money outside of the AdSense program are through affiliate links. And the easiest program to get involved with, well, that's Amazon. And the great thing about Amazon is they have just about every product you could possibly want. So if you talk about an item in your video and you think somebody might be interested in purchasing that item, all you have to do is mention that there is a link, an affiliate link, in the description below, and all they have to do is click it and you get a commission if they buy. Now that commission is not very much, but over time it can really add up. It's pretty much in the single digits depending on what they buy in the program you're in, but the fact is you can generate income, and actually a lot more income than you would with AdSense. So Amazon allows me to make more money on average per view than AdSense does. And the great thing is if you have a niche, especially one where other companies might find it valuable to connect with you, a specialty niche, it's good to approach these companies because a lot of times they have a nice affiliate program with a much higher commission rate than, say, Amazon. So take a look around. See if there are companies related to your niche who are offering affiliate programs because you could make a lot more money. One of my biggest revenue drivers that I earn through YouTube is consulting. I can make $125, $175, $200+ an hour consulting with people who really need good information, a little bit of hand-holding, developing plans, people who like to work one-on-one. They are willing to pay the price because the value of what I offer them is great. But the thing is, when they find me on YouTube, they get to see who I am first, and they develop a relationship. And then they feel like, you know what? This person is the right person to help me with my problem. So they connect with me, and I do my consulting work with them. And I'm able to do this with less than 1,000 subscribers. Yes, people find me through YouTube search, but by sharing my videos in social media and through my emails, it expands the reach of my YouTube videos. And as people get more comfortable with me, they're more apt to hire me. So you have to be a little proactive and not just depend on YouTube, but using the platform of YouTube certainly gives you new opportunities. And for me, some of those opportunities are new clients, retainer clients, people who pay me month after month to support them with their businesses. Sometimes it's consulting, but sometimes it's work such as SEO and pay-per-click. There are a lot of different ways I can support businesses. So YouTube works really well for me to get the word out and develop relationships with future customers. There are 4 ways in which I get my videos in front of the right prospects. The first is search. Search is extremely powerful, especially if you're a small channel, especially if you're under 1,000 subscribers. And I want to get my videos in front of people who are looking for solutions. Now, the great thing about YouTube is that my YouTube videos are also found in Google. So when I optimize my YouTube videos well, they're also found in Google. Now there are a number of videos, including on this channel, to help you optimize your YouTube videos. So I highly recommend you learn how so you can be found by your prospects. My next YouTube marketing strategy is all about YouTube helping me put my videos in front of the right prospects so I can make more money. This method is referred to as suggested search. using the best practices to help YouTube recommend your video next after somebody watches another video, maybe from a channel with more authority. But the thing is, if you get into suggested search, it really can help your channel grow as well as getting you in front of the right prospects. My third method is to use my YouTube videos on my websites. In other words, I make it really easy for people to connect with me. They see a video, I'm talking about my services, and by the time I meet with them in person, they feel like they already know me. They know about my company, which makes it a lot easier to do business. I also share my videos in social media, especially on LinkedIn, because a lot of the people that follow me on LinkedIn are local businesses and people that I kind of know or have been introduced to. So it helps keep me top of mind. It helps them develop a relationship with me and my company and my brand, even though I'm not talking with them in person. My fourth technique is email. Not only do I share my videos via email, but I create specific videos with specific messages for my email signatures. So I can send another message of welcome or hello or details or expertise in my email signatures. Again, depending on who I'm sending it to. If it's a first-time prospect or a long-time client, each one may receive a different email signature. The great thing about YouTube is there are so many opportunities. I earn new opportunities by using YouTube as a tool to help people get to know me. But I also earn sponsorships. I earn affiliate commission. I earn speaking gigs. I earn new consulting clients, all of which add up to much more than AdSense. And I have less than 1,000 subscribers. So are you earning money on YouTube? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. I look forward to reading them. And of course, if you found this video valuable, make sure you like it, share it with your friends. If you don't want to miss a future upload, be sure to hit that bell icon and subscribe.